Welcome to my laboratory. I'm Sydney Brown and I will show you my apparatus or materials a chemist use. This is my microscope. This is glass slide. This is the funnel to pour stuff in. These are big test tubes and these are little test tubes and these are small test tubes. I also have food coloring, green, orange, blue, and red. And I also have cups to measure liquids in. I have a jar to hold liquid. I also have goggles to wear when I'm doing an experiment. I also have tubes or straws. I have stirring sticks to stir things together. I have pipettes to squeeze things, and I have two cotton swabs, and I have a spoon to stir. The experiment I'm doing is what will happen when I mix oil and water together. Do all liquids mix together? Let's experiment. First, I pour water into a cup, then add food coloring. I already put the water in a cup, so I'm just going to add the food coloring. Okay. Next, I'm going to stir it up a little. Okay. Next, I'm going to pour vegetable oil into the plastic cup or empty food jar, which I did. Then I'm going to pour the water into the jar of oil. I'm going to stir with a spoon. Okay, wait. What will happen to the oil and water? Oil and water do not mix. Oil and water do not mix. You can try to mix them together, but they will separate. The oil is lighter or less dense than the water, so it'll float on top. And the water is heavier, more dense than oil, so it'll sink to the bottom. And that's what happens when you mix oil and water together. For my next experiment, I made this one up. I'm going to mix rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to mix rubbing alcohol, salt, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. I'm going to see what will happen if I mix them together. This is the salt and baking soda. I mix them together. This is the apple cider vinegar. And this is the rubbing alcohol. Okay, let's see what happens when I mix them together. Whoa, okay, it bubbled. It bubbled up. Okay, and that's what happens when you mix vinegar, salt, baking soda, and rubbing alcohol together. Thank you for joining me in my laboratory. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.